I'll show you which is better, Descript or ElevenLabs. Now, it depends on what your definition of better is, because to me, both of these tools are really good, right? But let's start off with Descript. Descript is an AI-powered editor that's based off web, right? Because so it runs on your web directly. And it's AI-powered. For example, here, there's an audio here. And you can see up here, it automatically transcribes it, right? So whatever you say on video, it'll automatically transcribe, and then it can make automatic subtitles with it as well. So for example, here, if there is a text here that says to record your video, you can see if I pick the text on the transcription here, it'll automatically highlight which part of the audio says that as well. And if I delete this, you can see it automatically cuts out the audio as well, right? So it's AI powered. And you can see it looks like slides here, right? Instead of your traditional editor viewpoint, which is very confusing to some people. Now you can see there's a lot more features here, like edit for clarity, remove filler words, shorten word gaps, studio sound, create clips, record, layer, scene, project, a lot, right? So it's an automatic editor that's easy for people who wants to get started with editing. Now let's move on to ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs is a tool to generate AI text to speech, right? So something that's more natural than traditional text to speech. Now, if you want something like this, right, instant speech, audiobook, AI agent, podcast, sound effect, or top video, then obviously you're gonna pick ElevenLabs because it's better for what you want. But if you want something for editing, something that's simple, something that's really time saving, then of course you want Descript, right? So again, which is better? It depends on your situation. If you want something for editing, of course Descript will be better for you. If you want an AI voice generator that's more focused to text to speech, then of course ElevenLabs will be better for you. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.